Ikhipha isinqumo imantshi ibalule ukuthi isigwebo seminyaka eyisishiyagalombili umbuso kanye nomadlala bavumelene ngaso sithambe kakhulu asihambisani necala lenziwe futhi asinabo ubulungiswa ibe isikhipha isigwebo esiphindwe kabili kuleso ebesiphakanyiswe iNPA.
Count 1, that of fraud, 15 years imprisonment, of which 7 years are suspended for a period of 5 years on condition that 1. The accused does not commit the offence of fraud, theft, corruption in contravention of Section 3 or 4 of the Prevention and Combating of Corrupt Activities Act 12 of 2004, or money laundering, counts 2, 3 and 4, those of corruption. The 3 counts are taken together for the purpose of sentence, and the accused one is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment, of which 8 years are to run concurrent with the sentence imposed on count number 1.
Umadlala ungene esivumelwaneni sokuphenduka ufakazi wombuso ngenhloso yokuthi axekiselwe isigwebo sakhe. Kulesivumelwano kubhekeke ukuthi ageqa amagula adalula amagama ezikhulu ezithile embuthweni wamaphoyisa ezinindeke ezinsolweni zenkohlakalo. iNPA ithi uma umadlala esichitha isigwebo seminyaka eyishumi esiphakanyiswe inkantolo icala lenkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa abhekene nalo lingase liqalwe kwabusha.
If this collapses, therefore, we have got to go back to square one and then continue with the prosecution of the people that are there and also then deal with the information that is there. Go and find more evidence because we cannot use whatever is in the affidavit.
Icala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zi-13 kuwephezulu ukuvumela umbuso nabameli bakaMahlala ukudingida ngesigwebo esiphakanyiswe inkantolo.